You searched how to buy shares of Wynn Resorts Ltd, a hospitality company known for luxury resorts and casinos in the United States and Macau. Wynn Resorts trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WYNN, and this information is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy WYNN, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WYNN to locate the company listing. Select the matching Wynn Resorts Ltd entry that shows the NASDAQ exchange to open the asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company summary in the price chart to confirm this is the correct Wynn Resorts Ltd listing. Double-check the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker WYNN before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before it can complete. Once the trade executes, your WYNN position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description. If you want to follow the same illustrative steps, this is informational only.